Suspended? How did this happen? Everything we do is for you. Everything. You think I like working double shifts? No. Even on the weekends? You wanted to go to the art school? We tried our best to put you in one. And this is how you repay us? No. Larry, computer la enna pannittu irukke?
Nothing.
You think your father and I don't know how ashamed you are of us? He knows. He knows why you want us to drop you opposite of school every day.
I didn't mean to.
Do you know how horrible you made him feel? Horrible.
I'm sorry.
Very other pati pesa varame.
No. You can't always be the nice guy. She has to know. She has to know how you feel. Otherwise, she will think she can do anything without sparing a thought for others.
I didn't mean to.
உங்க அப்பாவுக்கு 2 மாசமா வேலை இல்ல. ஏதாவது பண்ணனும்னு நினைச்சா இல்ல. Part time job இல்ல. Instead, you stay in your room spending all your time doing whatever that is you do.
Designing?
Designing, yeah. அதான் இங்க சோறு போடுது. Do you know how much it costs to raise you? And how much you're throwing away every day?
Give me a number.
What?
Give me a number.
I don't understand.
You give me a number for how much it costs you to raise me, and I'm gonna get older, make a lot of money, and write you a check for what I owe you so I never have to speak to you ever again.
I doubt that you will be able to find a job good enough to do so. I highly doubt you will be able to find a job good enough to do so.
You see, I don't understand right?
Yeah, that's why.